Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we'll continue to our exercise 5 for chapter 3, basic modeling technique. So in this exercise, we need to build this part in SolidWorks. The material that we need to assign to this part is AISI 316 anneal stainless steel bar with mass density 8000.000133 km per meter cube. The unit that we need to choose is IPS, which is inch, pound and second. And the question is, what is the overall mass of the part in pounds? So the answer would be 9.21 pound. So let's take a look into this exercise and we try to do it. Okay, first we need to open our SolidWorks. So this is our SolidWorks, and then we need to choose new file, which is part, and then click OK. So after that, we need to make sure that our unit is IPS, and then usually the drafting standard that we use is ANSI, and then after that I will go to the sketch and then select the front plane. Okay, first we will do is we need to do at the back of this plate, which is consists of the length of 7.5 and the height will be 3.125. So first, if we take a look accordingly to this drawing, they have like hemicircle here. So we draw this first. So we go to the circle, and then always make a drawing at the origin, and then we take a look the dimension. The dimension would be 1.125 radius. Alright, so we click here 1.125. okay, multiplied by 2 because the dimension in diameter, and if you want to change it into the radius, we can go to the ladders and then we click add radius. So if we have like 2 position, we can change it the tolerance into 3. Okay, so the radius will be 1.125. okay, after that we select a line here because we this one, we want to make the line from here to here, and then we go at the bottom, and then we just make at another side. So we click at the quadrant here, make sure the line is horizontal. When you see the line horizontal relation at yellow like that, and we go down, so make sure it's vertical, and then horizontal here, up here, and then we go here. Alright, so and then another thing is we do the center line, then we go here. Okay, and then after that we want to make symmetric between these two lines. So select this line, control, select this line, and then symmetric, and then click OK. So this is because when we change the length, it will be equal at the both sides. Alright, so we measure. So the length will be 3.5. So 3.5. okay, and then sorry, it's not 3.5, it will be 6, sorry, 6. okay, and then the height will be no, sorry, the length will be 7.5, and the length height will be 7.5 here, 3.125. Yeah, that is. So we already get the fully defined for all the line, and then we need to trim this upper circle. So we go to the trim entities and select power trim. So we just drag it here. So and then click OK. And then we go to the isometric view. So we can make an extrusion. So we take a look. It will be like 0.62. Okay, 0.62. And we click OK. So we get we get the back of this part. Now we need to do this drawing at the front. Okay, so we go to the SolidWorks. So we go to sketch, and then we select this part, and then we go to the normal tool, and then we select line. So we just click anywhere here, and another line is here. Okay, so we do another center line at the origin. Okay, and then we select these three line, and then we put it equal, put it symmetric. So when we change the line, it will be same for the both side. Okay. So now we take a look what is the dimension for these two lines. So the dimension between these two lines is 3.5. 3.5. Okay, so 3.5, and we go to the change of the asymmetry. So if we want to extrude, we must enclose all these lines. We can do it one by one line, but it will be a bit tricky. Another thing is we can use convert entities. Okay, so we select this plane, and then we convert entities. Alright, so you can see all this line has been enclosed. So what we do is, after that, we select trim entities, and we remove all the line that we did not need in order to do the extrusion, and then we click OK. And after that, we go to the features and extrude. So accordingly to this drawing, we need to extrude about 2.5 from the this plate, but because we already extrude 0.62, we need to minus it. So 2.5 inch minus 0.62 inch. So it will be 1.88 inch. So we click OK. So we already get this front. So the next, so you can see we have these two features. So when I go it up, so this is the first features that we drew, and this is the second one. Okay, so after that we can go to the bottom of this part. Okay, select plane, we select sketch, and then we select this bottom. It is because we want to do this part. Okay, so we go to the normal tool. Right, so after that we will take a corner rectangular from here to here, and then we do the same from here to here. Okay, so we can make this line, 3 line from here, here and here is a collinear. Okay, alright. Meanwhile, for this line we need to do it asymmetric. So we do a construction line from the origin, and then we select this line, control this line and this line, and then we do it symmetric, because when we change it, change it for the both side. Alright, so the dimension will be 6. So from here to here is 6. So we drew the dimension is 6. Okay, so we click OK, and it's fully defined. Now we go to the isometric, and then we need to know how much we need to extrude the upward. So this is 0.62 typical, so this is also will be 0.62 for the extrusion upward. So we go to the features, extrude. So if the direction of the extrude going downward, we can change the direction to upward, and 0.62. Okay, and then we click OK. Now we get the third extrude boss. So after that, we need to do a fillet. So accordingly to this, the radius of the fillet is 0.50. So before this, we already do a fillet in sketching with this in here. Okay, now when we do a features solid part, we also have a fillet function here. So I will prefer to do a fillet at the features command. So we select fillet, and then we insert the 0.50 radius. 0.50 radius. Okay, so in here we need to select the item to fillet. Okay, make sure you click the full preview and select the edge, and then this edge, and then will be click OK. So if you rotate the part, you can use your roller, click your roller and hold it, and just drag the part. Okay, so then after that, we will make a hole here. So we go to the sketch, select this face, and then we go to the normal too. So we can just make 2 radius. Okay, so the dimension will be 0.750. So I will choose this 2 will be equal, and 0.575. Okay, so if this 3, we can just do it 3. Okay, so it will be better for us to have a center line here. Okay, so we select this point, this is symmetric. Okay, so that it will be equal, and then we take a look. So it will be 1 from this part to here. Okay, so 1 from here to here, and then this point of the circle between the circle is 4.6. Okay, so after that we will extrude cut it. Okay, we can go through all, and then we click, go to features, extrude cut it, change the view, I do it again, select this circle, we extrude cut it, we make it symmetric through all. Okay, and then we click OK. Alright, so it's already hole here. Now we continue to make circle at this part. So we go to the sketch, we select this plane, and then we go to the normal tool, we make 2 circle. Okay, so we select these two, make sure they're equal, and then we go to the shape is 0.75, and then after that we make a center line between these two. Okay, select here, and then we go to the symmetric so that we can go at this. So after that we take a look from this point to this point is 5. Okay, so from bottom up to this circle is 2. Okay, now we do extrude cut, so we do all and we click OK. So it's already cut. Right, so and then the next thing is we assign the material. So the material is this one. So go to this and then right click, edit material, we select this, apply, close. Okay, and then we go to the evaluate and then check the mesh properties. So the mesh properties say that it's 9.21 pound. So same as this one. Okay, that's it. That's how you do this exercise 5. Thank you very much. Also, before that, you can save as desktop and just rename whatever your part name. Let's say that you said part 1 and then select save. Now you can see this. Okay, so that's it for exercise 5. Thank you very much.